To use the WhatsApp API, you can go through the following sign-up process. Before getting started, make sure you already have a Facebook account. You need a new phone number to use WhatsApp and receive verification or voice codes. The entire embedded registration process consists of 4 steps. Let's follow the steps in the video. Step 1. Enter the iCloud backend and open the embedded registration pop-up. Find the WhatsApp menu in the channels on the left side and click to enter. Scroll down to find the Create button and open the embedded registration pop-up. On this page, enter your prepared FB account. After logging in, click Get Started. Click Continue to officially enter the binding process. Step 2. Choose an existing BM account. You need to have administrator permissions. You can also create a new account during the process. Creating a new account requires filling in the relevant company information. Click Next to go to the next step. Step 3. Create or choose a WhatsApp business account. You can choose an existing account or create a new one. If you choose an existing account, the subsequent steps will automatically read the relevant information. Click Next, fill in the account profile. Fill in the account name, display name, and the type of company business as required. Pay special attention to the second input box, display name. It is displayed to the user and needs to be related to the company's brand or business name. It will be reviewed by the Meta official. Next, add a number. The number you need to add will be used to send WhatsApp messages. It needs to be a brand new phone number. Next, you need to verify this number. Enter the received verification code and click Next. At this point, the embedded registration is complete. Click Finish to close the pop-up. After closing, please pay attention to the page prompt. If you have multiple web accounts, you need to select the account and click Confirm to successfully bind. Next, let's go through business verification to increase the number of bindable numbers for the account and the number of drawings. The materials you need to prepare for business verification are mainly as above. Follow the tutorial to complete the entire verification process. You can choose to enter the business verification interface from the iCloud backend. Enter the WhatsApp account tab. Click the Go to Verify button in the prompt information. Choose the business account to be verified. Find Business Verification. When the business is not verified, there will be a button here. Click to start verification. You can also manually enter the URL. Use the FB account used for embedded registration. To log into the Meta backend, click the button in the upper left corner of the menu. Open all tools. Find Business Settings and select the corresponding business account. Enter the Security Center. You will see the business that needs to be verified. Please click to start verification. The entire verification process includes the 3 steps shown in the picture. Click Get Started. Choose the company location. Enter the next step. Fill in the company information. The company name and address must match the name and address on the business license and registration certificate. The phone number can be a personal mobile number. The submitted website must have text content proving domain name ownership, and the domain name owner submitted company name. Business license. Registration certificate on the company name must be consistent. Enter the next step. Verify the contact method. It is recommended to use email verification. Your email address suffix must match the submitted domain name. Upload qualification documents. These documents must display your company's legal name and address or phone number. Finally, fill in an email that is consistent with the website domain name. To receive verification information, you will receive a verification code. Fill it in and complete the verification application. Verification usually takes 1 to 2 working days. If you have any questions, please contact our support team for more help.